welcome back to another Real Talk reaction. This one's for Doctor Who Season 3, Episode number 8. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell. Tell a friend to keep telling all their friends. You know what we doing over here. Watching Doctor Who. Thank you.
Alright, a couple comments from the last episode starting with CJ, who says, another great reaction from you guys. I think the relationships here are what really sold this episode for me. The Doctor does trust Martha more and more, but even although he made her a full companion, there was still a reluctance in him at the start of the episode. I don't think the Doctor ever saw Martha as weak or untrustworthy, but after Rose took in the heart of the TARDIS and almost died, then putting herself in harm's way at the battles of Torchwood and ending up lost forever, I think the Doctor thought that Martha might be capable of something similar. But seeing the way Martha pretty much handled herself in this situation when she had to decide whether to stay with the Doctor and help him or run to the engine room to save the day, made him see just how truly capable and worthy Martha is. That handing her the key to the TARDIS at the end of the episode is a very big deal. It's basically the Doctor's way of saying, I trust you with my life. Ah, great breakdown, CJ.
Okay.
Alright, executive producer Jeremy says, I think this was a pretty good episode that had some really great character moments, some great acting from everyone involved, especially the Doctor and Martha. Great reaction. I'm glad you both enjoyed the episode a lot more than the last one. I look forward to the rest of the season. Wow, it was a good episode. Alright, Jonathan adds, the season really picks up from now on. And then last comments from Patrick, who says, I can see why some people don't like this episode, but for me, it is fun. I love a good countdown episode. Well, if you didn't watch 24, you should, because it is perfect for that dynamic.
It is the upper echelon.
It is you can't get much better from a countdown situation
it's
than
a lot
24.
of numbers and clocks.
And you will feel those clicking clocks. What I particularly like most about this is Martha. When her capsule gets ejected and she's banging on that window with all the hope in her eyes and the Doctor knows he can't stop it, has always been a very scary moment for me. I honestly wasn't sure she was coming back from that. And her realizing she had run off with someone she doesn't really know, and then her eventual total happiness at realizing he, the Doctor, has saved them. I love it. You hit the nail on the head. Her screams of joy and her laughter gets me every time. Yeah, I mean, she emotes very well. Yeah. Alright, let's get into the next episode right now.
Did they see you?
I don't know.
But did they see you?
I was running.
Martha, it's important. Did they see your face?
No, they couldn't have.
No, and they couldn't have two different things.
They're following us.
A time machine.
Stolen technology. They got a time engine's vortex manipulator. Otherwise, wherever we go, all across the universe, we're never going to stop.
It's like Star Trek. You just make up words.
I'll have to do it. Martha, you trust me, don't you?
Of course I do.
Because it all depends on you.
What does? What am I supposed to do?
Take this watch. My life depends on it. This watch, Martha. This watch is...
What that now?
That was just a dream?
He dreams?
Is
Never
he
seen
in
him
bed?
sleep.
Come in.
Pardon me, Mr. Smith. I'm not dressed yet. I can come back later.
That's all right, it's all right. Put it down. I was, It's all right. It's all right. Sometimes I have these extraordinary dreams.
What about, sir?
I dream I'm this adventurer, this daredevil, a man, the Doctor, I'm calling him. And last night I dreamt that you were there as my companion.
Teacher and housemate, sir. It's impossible.
I was a man from another world.
Well, then it can't be true because there's no such thing.
This thing, the watch is... Yeah, it's funny how dreams slip away. But I do remember one thing. It all took place in the future. In the year of our Lord 2007.
I can prove that wrong for you, sir. Here's the morning paper. It's Monday, November 10th, 1913, and you're completely human, sir. As human as they come.
That's me. Completely human.
What the fuck is happening? Are they stuck in like a dream? Is that what the aliens can do? They can dream and they see your face. Because they trap you, they see your face or something?
evening, the advance of the Allied troops had forced them to retreat.
Jenny, where was that? On the horizon where the light was headed. That's by Cooper's Field.
You can't just run off. It's dark, you'll break a leg.
So she must just need a job. She white.
She just reminds me of the girl that I thought was last time.
Get your boy. Hello there.
Some kind of aeroplane.
Jumps all right.
Good color choice. Because it stands out in the darkness.
That's impossible.
Is there anyone there?
So I'm gonna walk my ass in here. In 1913.
There you are. Nothing there. I told you so. And that's Cooper's Field. As far as the eye can see, and no falling star. Now come on, I'm frozen to the bone. Let's go. As your Mr. Smith says, nothing to see.
I don't understand. Why?
We are the family. Far more important. Who are you, little thing?
My name's Baines. Jeremy Baines. Please, can I go?
I'm so sorry, Baines. Jeremy Baines. But I don't think you can ever leave.
Who are you? Why can't I see you?
Why would you want to see us?
I want to know what you look like.
Oh, that's easily answered. Because very soon, we will look so familiar.
This is a beer, then vanishes into the
Body
night.
snatchers.
There he is. Let him in. Come on, Baines, you dolt. You've been caught by the Roses.
Where's the beer?
What? Where is it, man? Where's the blessed beer?
There was no beer. It was gone.
Oh, I've been waiting. Pretty poor show, Baines, I have to say. What's the matter with you? What sniffles out there?
Yes, I must have. It was cold. Very cold.
I don't spread it about, I don't want your germs. Come on, might as well get some sleep. Come on, chaps, maybe tomorrow. Jackson's got some beer in the pavilion.
Where's he sleeping? What's he doing?
Martha, I warned you.
They found us and I've seen them. They look like people, like us, like normal. I'm sorry, but you've got to open the watch. Where is it? Oh my God, where's it gone? Where's the watch?
What are you talking about?
You had a watch, a fob watch, right there.
Did I? I don't remember.
I can't think what concern it is of yours. But we need it. Oh my God, Doctor, we're hiding from aliens and they've got Jenny and they've possessed her or copied her or something and you've got to tell me where's the watch.
Oh, I see. Cultural differences.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Keeps that confusing for you.
You got an imagination.
Mother, this is what we call a story.
Oh, you complete. This is not you. This is 1913.
Good.
Good.
This is 1913.
Good.
I'm sorry, I'm really sorry, but I've got to snap you out of this. Oh! Wake up! You're coming back to the TARDIS with me!
How dare you! I'm not going anywhere with an insane servant. Martha, you are dismissed. Leave these premises immediately. Now get out! Nerve! Absolute cheek. You think I'm a fantasist? What about her?
The funny thing is, you did have a fob watch. Right there. Don't you remember? Oh, sorry! Sorry!
Martha?
Not now, she's busy!
Mr. Smith? No one home.
Meg's definitely hiding something. A secret around this Mr. Smith.
We both scented him, though. He was plain and simple human.
Maybe he knows something.
Where is he?
She's infatuated. You're a dangerous man.
You've taken my own topic.
I'm very stupid.
Spare a penny for the veterans of the Crimea, sir?
Yes, of course. Stay on.
Ladies and gentlemen, please take your partners for a waltz.
You can dance.
I surprised myself. I would say. Sorry.
I think this might help.
That makes it easy, son of mine. Because daughter of mine's already there.
We've been invited to the dance.
Which one's the daughter? So she... Oh, her.
Whoa. Staff entrance, I think, men.
Yeah, well, I think again, right.
Please, don't. Not again.
He's different from any other man you've ever met, right?
Yes.
And sometimes he says these strange things, like people in places you've never heard of yet. But it's deeper than that. Sometimes when you look in his eyes, you know. You just know that there's something else in there. Something hidden. Right behind the eyes, something hidden away. In the dark.
I don't know what you mean.
Yes, you do. I don't mean to be rude, but the awful thing is it doesn't even matter what you think. But you're nice, and you're lucky, and I just wanted to say sorry for what I'm about to do.
Oh, now, really, Martha, this is getting out of hand. I must insist that you leave.
Do you know what this is? Name it. Go on, name it.
John, what is that silly thing? John?
You're not John Smith. You're called the Doctor. The man in your journal, he's real. He's you.
There it is.
Spare a penny, sir.
I didn't spare you.
balls.
Just made him disappear. I'll take it over.
I said, silence! Mr. Clark, what's going on?
Mr. Smith, everything I told you, just forget it. Don't say anything.
We asked for silence!
Now then, we have a few questions for Mr. Smith.
No. Better than that. A teacher. He's a doctor. I heard them talking.
You took human form.
Of course I'm human. I was born human as were you, Baines. And Jenny, and you, Mr. Clark. What is going on? This is madness.
Oh, and a human brain too. Simple, thick and dull.
He's no good like this.
We need a Time Lord.
Easily done.
Change back? I don't know what you're talking about. Change back! I literally do not know.
Get away! She's your friend, isn't she?
Doesn't this scare you enough to change back?
I don't know what you mean.
Wait a minute. The maid told me about Smith and the matron.
That woman there.
Then let's undo.
Have you enjoyed it, Doctor? Being human? Has it taught you wonderful things? Are you better, richer, wiser? Then let's see you answer this. Which one of them do you want us to kill?
New classic villain moment, you know?
Your friend or your lover? Your choice.
It was episode 380 of Doctor Who. A bit of a struggle for me to get through that one for sure. Too many beautiful slow music playing on that one. The period pieces is just, you know. I like the concept though when we get into it. But I think part 2 is probably going to have everything that I want to have in there. This was just all set up right here. So very hard, but I do like the premise of what we're going for this episode 2-parter. So I can't wait to see the last ending and see how we get back the Doctor.
Yeah, so I think the concept is great. I always like this type of you don't know who your real self is, but someone there does. And I like just the dynamic that sets up. And I thought it's setting place in the time that it did. I love the fact that they did recognize the struggle as far as Martha's ethnicity. I thought that was great the way that, although I don't think it's great that it came up, but the fact that it did, I think shows the truth of the time, so to speak. I'm curious to see what the aliens that are coming after him are. So I don't know if like they're just using scarecrows because they need a shape and that's expiring and that's why they're dying because they have to adopt another shape.
That's not organic.
I think their natural form is like the smoky thing, but they need forms in order to like exist is what I'm assuming. But I do again like the concept. I loved seeing Odu from Queen's Gambit. I thought that was super fun, recognizing him. I'm pretty sure the love interest is from Years and Years too, so I always like when we recognize people from other stuff we've seen.
Yeah.
But yeah, I felt like the end got a little bit, I was like, this doesn't feel like it's going to resolve, but I didn't realize it was going to be a 2-parter, so that makes sense now. I was like, it's not feeling like it's getting to the resolution part, and I know it's got to, and I kept looking at my clock, I was like, I know it's got to be at some point. Yeah. So, okay, that makes sense. I think the second part's definitely going to be where all the action is, but again, I like the concept of this. I thought it was well done. It just, it threw me off a little bit, why it felt so long, but again, it makes sense now that now knowing it's a 2-parter.
All right, well, look, thank you guys again for watching another Real Talk reaction for Doctor Who Season 3, Episode 8. And until next time, people.